In this video, we'll explore how Claude can be used to automate repetitive coding tasks, enabling you to save time and focus on more complex challenges.
Did you know that automating just 30% of your repetitive coding tasks can save you up to 20 hours a month? Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the world of coding automation using Claude. Automation is not just about saving time, it's about increasing consistency and quality in your work. With Claude, you can streamline your workflow, allowing you to tackle more complex challenges. Join us as we explore how you can start automating your coding tasks today.
Task automation in coding refers to the process of using scripts or software to perform repetitive tasks that would otherwise be done manually. Imagine not having to manually compile your code every time or repeatedly copy-pasting data into different files. Commonly automated tasks include code compilation, testing, data entry, and even deployment. The benefits are clear: automation saves time, reduces errors, and allows you to focus on innovation rather than mundane tasks. Tools like Claude come into play here, offering a suite of features to streamline these processes. We'll delve deeper into how Claude can transform your coding workflow. Before automating, it's crucial to identify which tasks in your workflow are repetitive. Start by tracking your daily activities for a week. Note the tasks you find yourself doing repeatedly. Pay attention to tasks that are time-consuming and those prone to human error, such as data entry or code compilation. Once you have a list, prioritize these tasks based on their frequency and impact on your workflow. This exercise helps you understand where automation can bring the most benefits. Remember, the goal is to eliminate redundancy and enhance productivity. Now that you've identified tasks for automation, it's time to set up your scripts using Claude. Claude offers a user-friendly interface for scripting automation tasks. Begin by installing Claude and familiarizing yourself with its scripting language, which is straightforward and efficient. Create scripts to automate tasks like code compilation or data migration. Integrate these scripts into your existing codebase, ensuring they do not disrupt your workflow. Testing is crucial here. Run your scripts multiple times to ensure they perform as expected. If you encounter challenges, Claude's community forums and documentation are invaluable resources.
Integration is key to successful automation. Claude makes it easy to integrate automation scripts into your projects, ensuring they work harmoniously with existing systems. Start by reviewing your project's architecture to identify potential integration points. Claude provides several built-in tools for integrating scripts with various coding environments. For instance, you can automate deployment processes, reducing the risk of human error. Monitoring is equally important. Set up alerts and logs to keep track of automated tasks. This ensures you can quickly address any issues that arise, maintaining the efficiency and reliability of your workflow.
Testing is a critical step in the automation process. Once your scripts are integrated, it's crucial to validate their performance to ensure they function as intended. Start with creating test cases that mimic real-world scenarios. This helps in identifying any discrepancies or errors in the scripts. Continuous testing is recommended, especially after updates or changes to the codebase. Debugging is an ongoing process. Use Claude's debugging tools to address issues promptly. Regular testing not only ensures reliability but also helps in refining scripts for optimal performance.
One of Claude's strengths is its ability to support multiple programming languages, making it versatile for various coding environments. Customizing automation scripts for different languages involves understanding the specific syntax and library support for each language. Claude offers extensive documentation and libraries tailored for languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript, among others. Be aware of language-specific challenges, such as differences in error handling or data structures. Following best practices for cross-language automation ensures seamless integration and functionality. Claude's language-specific libraries are a tremendous asset, providing pre-built functions and modules to streamline the automation process.
Scheduling and managing tasks are essential components of automation. Claude provides robust tools for scheduling tasks, allowing you to set specific times for scripts to run, ensuring they don't interfere with critical operations. Task dependencies can be managed efficiently, ensuring that tasks are executed in the correct sequence. Claude's Task Manager offers a centralized dashboard to monitor task execution and performance. Automating routine schedules, such as nightly builds or weekly reports, can significantly enhance productivity. Monitoring tools within Claude help track task execution, providing insights into performance and potential areas of improvement. As you become more comfortable with basic automation, it's time to explore advanced techniques. Claude offers advanced scripting capabilities that enable complex task automation. Incorporating AI for predictive automation is an exciting frontier, allowing scripts to adapt based on historical data and trends. Integrating machine learning models can automate tasks like data analysis or anomaly detection, enhancing the intelligence of your workflows. Creating adaptive automation workflows means your scripts can adjust to changes in data or environment autonomously. As technology evolves, staying abreast of future trends in coding automation is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Automation is a powerful tool that can transform your coding workflow, offering benefits like reduced manual effort and increased consistency. We hope this video has inspired you to start automating your repetitive tasks using Claude. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. What tasks would you like to automate next? Continuous learning is key to mastering automation, so explore more resources on Claude to enhance your skills. Stay tuned for more videos that dive deeper into automation and other exciting tech topics.